Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to buy stuff on Temu for under $10. Let's dive right in. First, let's go to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in what you're looking for. For example, let's say we're looking for headphones. Then, hit enter. Now, you'll see a list of products. To filter these results according to our budget, look for the filter option on the top left side of the screen and tap on it. Scroll down to the end to find the price section. In the price range fields, enter 0 in the minimum field and 10 in the maximum field. Then, tap on the Show Results button. Now, all the products you see are under $10. You can scroll through and pick the one that suits your needs. Once you've found a product you like, tap on it for more details. If you're happy with the product, tap on the Add to Cart button. Now, go to your cart by tapping on Cart icon located at the bottom right corner of the page. Review your items, and when you're ready, proceed to checkout. Fill in your shipping information and choose your payment method. After confirming all the details, place your order. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.